Hello, this is Brickmaster009 and I'll show you how to make a chain gun. First, get this rocket launcher. Then get this piece. Snap it on like this. Now get this like claw. Snap it on like this. Make sure it moves up and down freely. Get this cone, put it on the claw. Get two levers, snap it on this piece. And put it on the front like this. Get a cylinder and put it on the front. Now get the chain. To insert it, open it, and put in the chain like this. Close it and turn it, and then you have it, a chain gun.